Last Tuesday, we talked about the direction is still up and we still yet to find some clues to derive whether we'll have a reversal soon. The only thing that the market encounter is hitting the 4600 resistance level. This is the only negative thing. We hit the resistance, but we need to look at the reaction. How's the reaction? This is a reaction. And last week, we also talked about it's crucial that we look for a change of character and also increase of the supply. Did we get that? Yes, we did. This is the one on Thursday. We got an increasing of the supply. If you look at the price action, the candle spread is by far the largest. We measured it from the high to the low. This is a spread. In terms of the progress to the downside, is minor, is negligible. In terms of the spread, there's a lot of the profit taking here. People selling to strength, breaking out, failure, selling to strength and close near the low with increasing of the supply. If you compare to the breakout since here, like June, or even here, this is breakout, also probably 1st of June. This uptrend started in June is healthy and very vibrant with very shallow type of the pullback. Shallow pullback, low supply level, another shallow pullback, supply is normal. And look at this pullback, it's even shallower. In terms of this spread, the bearish spread, if we compare to the uptrend since the breakout happened in June, this rally, this is by far the largest bearish spread that we ever seen with increasing of the supply. In terms of the supply level is similar to this, or slightly lower. In terms of the spread, that already show up. This is the first red flag in S&P 500. I did post an update of this red flag, in my Twitter and also in a Telegram group for the MPAT student. I mentioned that we need to seek confirmation. A close below the low on Thursday will be the confirmation in order to have a more meaningful pullback, whether it's on testing this level or down to somewhere around here. That will be a meaningful pullback. But did it happen? No. On Friday, we got a high volume and also almost act like a reversal bar. And by far, this is the best close. If you compare the range, this is a short trading range, very shallow. And this is less than 2 weeks of the trading range. Look at the close. This is the best close that we ever had from this range. So suggest that it's not the time yet for a meaningful reaction. The direction is still up. Short term, long term, medium term is up. One thing that is a red flag is there is a increase of the supply with a bearish spread. This could be one of the topping signal that we need to pay attention to, because topping is similar to the bottoming process. It's not a one bar reversal, although it could happen. Sometimes a reversal can happen quickly once you have a bearish spread reversal, and then that could follow with a momentum downswing. But sometimes it's a process, just like bottoming. It doesn't really have like, once we have a reversal, whether it's an island reversal or some sort of the pattern, bullish engulfing, things like that, then you start a bull run straight or start an uptrend straight away. And more often, we'll see that it will take some process to form, to wait a few days in order for the bottoming or the topping to form. Right now, this is the first red flag, increasing of the supply with the largest bearish spread, and that's right at the resistance level, 4,600. Until we see that the low on Thursday bar get taken out, the direction is still up. So far, we need to watch out for the confirmation and also watch out for whether we'll have more increasing of the supply. For example, if we still get some push here, the trust is getting shorter, means that the momentum is exhausting. And what's worse is if we get a lot of the effort behind increasing of the volume, but we couldn't have more progress to the upside, then we need to watch out carefully, because that is the topping formation, the topping characteristics. So far, we only have one red flag on last Thursday, increasing supply, bearish spread at a resistance level. That's it. The rest are still bullish on Friday, sort of negate this bar, not to worry. And until we see that there's a close below the low on Thursday, or well, bullish, short term, long term, medium term. Let's take a look at the rest of the index. I should mention that the next level of S&P 500 is somewhere around 4,700. There is one level here. This is close to all-time high already, provided that we'll get a speculative run up here. And let's see whether it will materialize, or can view this as another significant resistance level. If S&P 500 is struggle to go up, means they just keep pushing up, but don't have much progress, and then suddenly have a big reversal, then we need to watch out. There could be a meaningful pullback started from there. In terms of Nasdaq also shows similar pattern and is more obvious in Nasdaq. So in terms of the supply, there is these two supply stands out. To volume, spike. One is this is a change of character bar. The other is this rejection tail. We already see that supply is coming out, but it's just yet to have a progress to the downside. We still yet to see the results to show up until we see that this support level get taken out. Is still up. Short term, long term, medium term, still up. And next resistance level is somewhere around, of course, this is a swing high. So 16,000 is a swing high, and then followed by this 16,400 or 350. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.